Hey, what's up guys? Justin here with 4 Lazy Jays, and I decided last minute to drive back up to Colorado, try to get one last opportunity at filling my elk tag, which ends this Sunday. So I left yesterday from a parent-teacher conference for Jack and hit the road around 3 o'clock, drove to Flagstaff, stayed the night, woke up this morning, drove, and now I'm sitting here in Dolores, Colorado. And now I'm gonna hit the road and still got to continue north about an hour before where I'm going to be hunting. I'm hoping to, today's Friday, hoping to be at the trailhead covering ground by 10:30 Arizona time. I'm going to hunt tomorrow till 2 or 3. If I get something down after that time frame, I'm going to be screwed. I'll probably be here. I'm by myself this time. I'll be here for a few days packing it out and getting it back to the truck. So I kind of set something that by mid-afternoon tomorrow, if I don't have anything down, I'm just going to pack up and make the trek back home. So I got my fingers crossed. It is later in the year. I don't know if the rut's on fire at all or not. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping they're a little more vocal. But now I'm going to hit the road and go find out. But first, some bacon and eggs. Well, that hit the spot. Let's go kill an elk. Well, I just got to where I'm going to hunt. Just backed in to an area. I'm just going to leave the truck here and walk from here and sleep in my camper shell, which makes it nice and easy for just one person. I'm going to get dressed, pack some last minute stuff, throw my camera gear in my backpack, go see if I can't get it done on an afternoon hunt. There's a lot of people up here, a lot more camps than when I was last time, but kind of expected that. Who knows? All I got to do is get in the right spot at the right time, right? Trying to get my stuff ready. These squirrels are throwing pine cones at me. They're really little a-holes up here. Yeah, you see that? Just threw one. This guy in the tree's pretty mad I'm here, I guess. I'm almost to the top of this ridge. No elk yet, no bugling or anything. Well, I made it up on top of this ridge line I was trying to get to. I'm only a few hundred yards up from that wallow in the bedding areas. I've been blowing on my cow call every now and then. Just no response, so I think I may hang out here for a little bit until a little later in the day. Try bugling, see if I can't locate something. Sit here and take in this view. It's amazing. few more beds. They're all kind of scattered throughout this little meadow here. Still nothing. I tried bugling, cow calling, no response. So now I'm just kind of still hunting, back to what I was doing before. I swear I have every intention on getting action in this video. I had those intentions in the last video too, though. Some kind of hunting video where it's just me walking around talking. I'll have to title this one Hiking in the Colorado Backcountry. It feels like it's all I'm doing. Well, nothing today. No bugles. No nothing. It's Saturday morning now. It's about the last half a day that I get to hunt. I came over to another area to try it out. It won the coin toss. I'm going to sit here for about another 5 minutes, try to chug some coffee down and hit the trail, get up top, and hopefully I hear some bugles over here. I'll probably rip a bugle the minute I get up on top. See if I can't locate something. It's about 4 o'clock Arizona time right now in the morning. So just walking up this trail, almost up to this ridge. It's pitch black out. All I can see is what's in front of me in my headlamp. But there's some bulls bugling up top. That'll get the blood flowing in the morning. I'm going to guess within about 500 yards up here to my left. I'm going to really start slowing down. I don't want to ruin this before the sun comes up. Got another bull bugling on the mountainside across the way. I've got him pinned now. Problem is there's a meadow between him and I. I'm going to go sit on the edge just in the trees and see if I can't get him to come across the meadow. guess it just comes down to persistence. Well, there he is, in all his glory. These are amazing animals. This thing's much bigger than what I was expecting. I've never really been up close to one before. If this backpack holds up, I'll be surprised. The straps broke on a coos deer hunt, hauling down 2/4 of a coos deer. I have both front quarters right now. I didn't debone those, I deboned the rear. Those things are heavy. And both back straps and tenderloins in the backpack. Well, first load's on ice. I'm going to see if I can do it in one more. At the very least, 2 more. It's about 1.75 miles one way, so it's not horrible. That last pack was pretty heavy. Luckily it was all downhill. Oh, I'm amazed I can do this. Oh, that was heavy. I don't really need these. Let's get a move on. Back at the truck. It was painful, it took me a few breaks, but I don't have to go back. So it saved about an hour. I'm ready to get back to Arizona, although Colorado's been good to me today. Well, I'm changed. Everything's in the truck, loaded, ready to go. My legs are cramping pretty bad. I am sore. I'm gonna stop and get some ice, put some more ice on the elk, and then head home. I'm glad for once I was finally able to connect on film. The last hunt was fun. I learned a lot. I found out about this place in the first video, so I just came straight back here again because I ran into a bull last time, so I thought maybe I'll give it a shot. I can't believe everything just worked out picture perfect. The moons aligned. Well, I'm gonna start this long journey home. Thank you guys for watching. I'm excited. First elk, first archery kill. So if you're excited for me, go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully we get some more adventures coming your way.